Hey traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Date is 31st of July 2020 and time is around 4:39 in the evening. Okay, so I have just took a trade in crude oil. I'll show you. So this is our crude oil and my entry is exactly at this high. Okay, 3014. My target is at 3037 and my stop loss is at exactly at this candle low, that is 2998. Okay, so I'll explain you why I took this trade. Currently you can see I'm in loss of around 400 rupees. Okay, so as soon as there is momentum I'll update you. Till then stay tuned traders. So you can see it is made a high of 3020. Okay, you can see currently we are under profit of 500 rupees. Once it crosses this level of 3020 and stabilizes, we will trail our stop loss. Okay, I'm not willing to take so much risk, so once it breaks this level I'm going to trail my stop loss. Stay tuned, I'll update you traders. You can see that it's facing rejection exactly from 3020. Okay, so let it stabilize. I'm not trailing my stop loss for now. Okay, once it crosses this level of 3021 then I shall trail my stop loss. Okay, so let's see, stay tuned, I'll update you traders. So I'm seeing this breakout kind of thing happening here. Okay, which is, I can see this breakout. Okay, which is totally against me. Okay, so it's reversing from this place. Let's see, hopefully now it breaks this point. We should be aware of such false breakouts. Okay, so this has turned to be a false breakout. Let's see, hopefully it turns out to be a false breakout. Okay, so there are people who short it this point. Okay, even I have got caught in so many traps like this. Let's see, hopefully it breaks this point. Okay, this is a very strong zone. Once it breaks this, there will be an easy momentum towards upside. So let's see, I can see good volumes here, so hope for the best. As soon as there is momentum I'll update you. Till then stay tuned traders. So you can see that it has finally broken this level with good volumes. Okay, you can see rejection from here, but I have trailed my stop loss to 3004. Okay, hence my risk in this trade is just 1000 rupees and that is 10 points and my target is around 23 points. Okay, so we shall wait patiently. Even this is the next strong zone that it has to break. Okay, this high which is 3028, this zone. Okay, I'll mark it for you. This is the next strong zone which it has to break. Okay, so stay tuned. Currently if you see I'm in a profit of 900 rupees, so stay tuned, I'll update you traders. You can see that it's really struggling hard to break this zone. Okay, and even volumes are good, so kind of even bears are getting into power. Let's see, my stop loss is here is very logical. Okay, because if it comes to this point then it might also make this low and even go further, so it's better that we exit here and reduce our risk. Okay, so let's see, stay tuned, I'll update you traders. Time is almost 6:30 and you can see it has come back here, and as I said, this is the next zone to be broken. Okay, once it breaks this zone There are so many stop losses in this area, so it will move very swiftly, okay, very swiftly, and it will give this target of mine, okay. So let's see. You can see even the volume is good. Okay, let's see. Once it breaks this area, it will very easily move upwards. So stay tuned. I'll update you as soon as there is momentum. Okay, so you can see it broke this high. Okay, traders, you can see this sudden fall. Okay, so what I have done is I have trailed my stop loss to 3007. Okay, so let's see, it's facing this strong rejection from this place. It made the high of 3028 and then there is sudden fall. You can see even the volume is good, so we have trailed it to this point. Okay, so my current risk is about 700. Let's see how it reacts. Stay tuned, I'll update you. Currently you can see my profit is around 300. Let's see. Traders, you can see this sudden fall. Okay, so what I have done is I have trailed my stop loss to 3007. Okay, so let's see, it's facing this strong rejection from this place. It made the high of 3028 and then there is sudden fall. You can see even the volume is good, so we have trailed it to this point. Okay, so my current risk is about 700. Let's see how it reacts. Stay tuned, I'll update you. Currently you can see my profit is around 300. Let's see. Traders, so it has finally hit our target. Okay, it made a high of 3028. I exited and you can see it's reversing from here. It might take support at this place and again move up, or it might come down. It doesn't matter to me. Okay, see, you can see I've captured 2300 for the day. Let me show you my trade book. Today I'm going to show you the traps, the common traps which you can see in crude oil. Okay, okay, so my entry was here 3014. I will explain all the reasons. And okay, so before that we'll just look at this point. Okay, at around 2 o'clock you can see this pattern, the bearish head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so after this point what normal people would do is they would short below it. Okay, and you can see crude behaved exactly right. Okay, you can see many people would have entered from this point and you can see even volume, but see what happened next. You can see this big push. Okay, so people who would have put stop loss of around 10 to 15 points, everybody got stopped out, and again it continued falling down and finally it went up. Okay, so my reason for entry is really simple. I saw this bullish wedge pattern. Okay, I saw this pattern and I entered here at exactly at this high. Okay, it actually hit and then came down. My stop loss was this low and my target was at 3038, I mean 3037. Okay, so it hit my target, made 1 point higher, and then again it's falling down. Okay, so you can see I entered at around 430 and then exited at 644. So that's it for the day. You must make sure that you don't fall into these traps. Okay, in smaller time frame these head and shoulder patterns usually act as traps, so try to avoid these patterns in smaller time frames. Okay, If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up, and also feel free to subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing my more intraday live trading videos and also more content on price action in this channel. So do subscribe and also share the channel with your friends. Okay, so even they can learn about price action trading in crude oil. So thank you for watching. We'll see you on Monday.